Welcome to SMS-MAN. Want to use Uber but don't feel comfortable sharing your personal number? Let us help you. SMS-MAN is a trusted virtual number provider, offering numbers from over 200 countries and supporting 1,000+ services, including Uber. Getting started with SMS-MAN is simple. Here's how it works. Visit sms-man.com. Sign in if you already have an account. If not, sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the verification email sent to you. Once your account is verified, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click the top-up button to add funds to your account. SMS-MAN offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose what works best for you. After topping up, click the Receive SMS tab. On the Receive SMS tab, select Uber as the service and choose the country for your virtual number. Click By SMS to purchase the number. Once the purchase is complete, the number will appear in the History tab on your dashboard. Next, download the Uber app from the Play Store or from App Store. Open the app and tap Continue at the bottom of the screen. Enter the virtual number you just purchased from SMS-MAN. Go to your SMS-MAN dashboard and click Receive SMS. Copy the verification code and paste it into the Uber app. Enter your email for account recovery. Enter your first and last name. Accept Uber's terms and review the privacy notice, then click Next. Congratulations! Your Uber account has been successfully created. SMS-MAN makes the entire process fast and hassle-free. The system is fully automated, so you don't need to contact anyone to get your virtual number. And if you ever need help, our support team is always available. Why wait? Sign up for SMS-MAN today.